So let me kiss the rain. So when the sky is gray, it falls upon your cheek when I am far away. And then you'll know for sure, no matter where I am, that our lips will touch when you kiss the rain.
If I could reach up high enough, I'd kiss the clouds above, so you could feel my lips upon your cheeks when the clouds show up. And that's a promise, and you know I really mean it every time that you hear my voice coming through your speakers. So can I hold you close? I think you wanna know whenever you're around there are only rainbows, cause I'm predicting what we have could be brilliant if we take a chance to explore where you're feeling. So can you feel it too, this attraction in the air? I don't know what it is, but it's definitely there. The ways of the world working with our destinies, drawing us together like magnetic polarities. So don't go away, cause each and every day is so much brighter when I listen to each word you say. And so you got me waiting for the skies to turn gray, an opportunity to kiss you.